6'8". Y'all need to hype me up. None of that.
Do that thing with your eyes.
Money, look.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So I'm back today with a quick little tutorial. I'm gonna be showing how I do my top knot one. Yeah, so let's just get into it. My hair's actually been in twists for the past 2 weeks. Like, I washed it, so the white stuff is conditioner because I detangled my hair with water and conditioner. So my hair's actually been in, it was in twist for about 2 weeks because I'd washed it and then just put it in twist and I'd been wearing a wig. Oh, okay, well I thought it was detangled. So what you're gonna want to do is start by detangling your hair all around. You want all of it to be smooth. I'm gonna go in with a comb first and then I'm gonna go in with my my brush, harder brushes, just so I can get smooth because I want this look to be kind of slick. Ooh. Oh gosh, okay. Use this. My hair's kind of damp too. I'm gonna do this on dry hair, I'm gonna do this on damp hair. So yeah. I'm going in, I haven't got much product in it right now. Like, I haven't got any gels or anything in it yet. Just like leaving. Okay. Okay. Then I go in with a little bit of Eco Styler. Like, it's finished. Like the tiniest bit. I don't like using Eco Styler. I feel like it doesn't slick my hair. But I've noticed that recently it just hasn't been slicking my hair. It kind of just makes it wetter. Yeah, I kind of just run it through the hair. I don't really use it as a gel, if that makes sense. And then I brush that through with the harder side. Yeah, like, I feel like it just adds wave to my hair. I don't think it actually sticks my hair. Okay, and then I'm gonna go in with Murray's Edge Wax Extreme Hold. I've been using this quite a lot recently and it's really been working. I take about this much and then I warm it up because it's like proper wax. Okay, I focus on the back first and then I like make my way around. I lied, you need more, sorry. And then brush through it again. Like, for now, I don't really worry about my edges. I kind of just focus on brushing my hair back, making sure it's slick. This is the part where you need to make sure you have no bumps, that everything is smooth, like that. You want to make sure you have no bumps in like your actual hair too, because you want your top knot to be neat. So I kind of just go through. And while my hair is up here, it's still not really slick yet. I'm gonna go in with my, and then I go in with June Milrow, making black castor oil. This edge control, it can stick anything, I'm telling you. So I get about this much for my hands, and I just push it through my hair. Use this one, and I stick it up. I can't find my other hairband, so I'm just going to be using that. Okay. You're going to want to position your hair in like a puff towards the top of your head, or like where you want your bun to be. I kind of want mine kind of forward because, you know, as you can see, my forehead's kind of big. So I like mine close to the top of my head. I like to make mine tight, but do it as, you don't want to give yourself a headache, so just put it as tight as you can have it. See, go. If I have flyaways like that, I use the soft side with some of my edge control and just brush it up. Okay, now that we've got that, let me sit back a bit. You're gonna make sure your hair's all detangled. Mine is, but I'm just gonna go through it a little bit just to make sure, because I want this one to be like, you know, cute. I don't have time for issues. Okay, so you're gonna take all of your hair like this, and then you're gonna twist. Well, this is how I do mine. And you just keep twisting until you have your bun. And then you just get another hairband to secure it. I don't like using a bobby pin because my hair is already tight in the middle, so I don't want to disrupt that. Okay, and then from here, I kind of just focus on making sure it's neat and that my edges are looking cute, because obviously, as you can see here, we've got a little bit of situation. We don't want that. So what I do, I've lost my other brush. I had like a mini one of this. I've lost it, which is great. So we're just gonna have to use this. Just put my bras in. So what I do, why does this one want? That's fine. I'm gonna just drag some of my edges down. With this edge control, I don't really need to set my edges, which is crazy. But yeah, like it kind of just stays. You can set it if you want. I do set it sometimes, but you don't really need to. They're not going anywhere. But yeah, that's how I do my top knot bun. Hope you guys liked it. And I hope it was easy to follow. But yeah, as always, make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe because you know about 90% of you aren't subscribed. It's a bit rude. But yeah, make sure you like, comment, share, and subscribe. And as always, have a good day.